Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through job listings in search of the perfect way to earn some extra cash? Well, I have the solution you've been seeking. In this video, I will demonstrate the best method to make money with Fiverr and AI. The best part is, you don't need any fancy skills or prior experience. I will guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary knowledge. Pay close attention because I don't want you to miss any important details that could help you make money. Let's begin. Have you ever been listening to a podcast and found yourself distracted by background noise or poor audio quality? It can significantly hinder your listening experience and make it challenging to focus on the content. But fret not, Adobe Podcast has the solution you've been searching for. Adobe Podcast offers an incredible AI tool specifically designed to enhance audio quality and eliminate background noise, making it sound as if a professional recorded it. The best part is that it's incredibly user-friendly. Simply upload your audio file to the website, and the AI technology takes care of the rest. You might be wondering, how does it work? Well, the AI tool utilizes a combination of noise reduction algorithms and audio enhancement techniques to clean up your audio and give it a professional edge. It can eliminate background noise like humming or static, balance out audio levels, and even enhance clarity in voices and instruments. This tool not only delivers exceptional results but also saves you a significant amount of time. Imagine having to manually clean up your audio files or pay for expensive professional services every time you record a podcast or video. With Adobe Podcast, all it takes is a few clicks, and your audio is ready to go. Furthermore, by using this tool, you can provide high-quality audio services to your clients and customers without requiring costly equipment or technical expertise. Whether you aspire to start your own podcast or offer audio editing services, Adobe Podcast is an invaluable tool to have. Now that you're familiar with this remarkable AI tool, let's delve into Step 1. Step 1. Sign up for Adobe Podcast. First and foremost, you'll need to visit Thepodcast, Adobe.com website, and create an account. Don't worry, it's a simple and straightforward process that once you're on the home page, locating the sign-in button at the top right corner of the screen will only take a few minutes. In case you don't have an Adobe account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on the sign up link below the login fields. You'll be prompted to provide your name, email address, and create a password. After filling out all the required information, click on Sign Up to successfully create your account. The next step involves verifying your email address. Adobe will send you an email containing a verification link. Simply click on the link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Once your account is activated, you're all set to start utilizing the Adobe Podcast AI tool. From the home page, click on the Audio Cleanup button to upload your audio file. The tool will analyze the audio and apply the necessary enhancements to enhance its quality. To better understand how the tool functions, let's consider recording a sample audio in a noisy environment and test it out. For instance, imagine recording a podcast episode in a bustling coffee shop using a smartphone, which is likely to capture significant background noise from people and machinery. After recording the audio, simply upload it to Adobe Podcast and let the AI tool work its magic. Within seconds, the tool will analyze the audio and apply enhancements to eliminate background noise, balance out levels, and voila! You're left with a clean, professional-sounding recording that is free from distractions. Of course, you don't necessarily have to record your own audio to experiment with the tool. Adobe Podcast also provides a sample audio file that you can upload to witness the tool's capabilities. This is a convenient option if you don't have any noisy recordings on hand but still want to observe the difference the tool can make. Moving on to Step 2. Selling it as a service. While Fiverr is a popular platform for freelancers to offer their services, the competition can be fierce among the thousands of other freelancers providing similar services. To stand out more effectively and reach a more targeted audience, we will utilize Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that connects freelancers with clients who are specifically seeking certain services. Compared to Fiverr is a newer platform, which translates to less competition and a greater chance of distinguishing yourself. Furthermore, it's easier to gain visibility and get noticed on Fiverr. What sets Fiverr apart is its dedicated section for audio services, making it an excellent platform to sell your Adobe-enhanced audio services. To begin, let's visit Fiverr.com and create a profile. Through this profile, we can create a gig that outlines our services and establishes a pricing structure. It's crucial to be clear about the specific offerings. For instance, we can offer to enhance 1 minute of audio for a fixed price or provide package deals for multiple recordings. Once our gig is set up, we can start promoting it to potential clients. Fiverr provides an integrated system for promoting gigs, but we can also leverage social media, email outreach, or direct communication with potential clients. The beauty of this method is that no technical expertise or expensive equipment is required. We simply utilize Adobe Podcast to enhance our audio recordings and Fiverr to sell our services to clients. One of the remarkable aspects of offering services online is the substantial demand for them. With numerous content creators, ranging from podcasts to YouTube videos, there is a need for high-quality audio to make their content stand out. When it comes to audio enhancement services, the demand is particularly strong. In fact, platforms like Fiverr witness thousands of orders for audio enhancement services within the niche. What does this mean for us? It implies significant potential to generate income by offering our services on platforms like Fiverr. With the high demand for audio enhancement services, we can anticipate a consistent influx of orders once we commence promoting our gig. Step 3. Create a gig on Fiverr. Crafting a gig on Fiverr serves as an excellent way to showcase your audio enhancement services to prospective clients. It is crucial to ensure that your gig stands out amidst the competition while effectively communicating the benefits of your services. When creating your gig, utilizing ChatGPT can be helpful in generating a captivating title and description that clearly conveys what you offer. For example, you might create a title such as Professional Audio Enhancement for your podcast or YouTube video, and a description that explains how you can assist clients in improving the sound quality of their recordings. Including examples of your work, such as before and after audio samples, that demonstrate the difference your services can make is also a good idea. This enables potential clients to grasp the value of your services. To increase the likelihood of receiving orders, it is essential to make clients more inclined to place an order. Now let's move on to step 4. Utilize Adobe Podcast to fulfill the services. You've successfully created your gig on Fiverr, and orders are starting to come in. It's time to deliver high-quality audio enhancements to your clients. Fortunately, Fiverr simplifies order management, allowing you to easily handle orders and deliver your services. Upon receiving an order, you will receive a notification and can conveniently access the order details from your dashboard. Once you have reviewed the order details and confirmed your ability to fulfill the request, it's time to apply your audio enhancement skills using Adobe Podcast. This ensures that the final product meets your client's expectations. After completing the audio enhancement, it's time to deliver the final product to your client. Fiverr streamlines this process by providing a simple upload option for the audio file on the site. Once uploaded, mark the order as complete. The client will then receive the final product and have the opportunity to leave a review of your services. Moving on to step 5. Offer your services to podcast owners. To expand your reach, you can reach out to podcast owners on YouTube and offer them your audio enhancement services. Initially, this might seem intimidating, but with a little preparation and the assistance of ChatGPT in crafting your message, you will be ready to pitch your services to potential clients. Start by identifying podcasts on YouTube that could benefit from your audio enhancement services. Look for channels that regularly produce podcast content and have a significant number of views and subscribers. You can also utilize YouTube's search and filter features to find podcasts in specific niches or topics. Once you have identified potential clients, it's time to create a message that captures their attention and generates interest in your services. ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful in this regard. Simply provide the AI with basic information about your services and your target audience, and it will assist you in crafting a compelling message. Allow ChatGPT to generate a compelling message for you, ensuring it captures the podcast owner's attention. Additionally, it is crucial to personalize your message as much as possible. If feasible, address the podcast owner by name and mention specific details about their channel or content that pique your interest. Lastly, remember to include a clear call to action in your message. Encourage the podcast owner to visit your gig on Fiverr and to reach out with any questions or inquiries. By following these steps, you'll start acquiring clients, and the money will begin flowing in. Remember, there is a significant demand for this type of service, so it's worth giving it a try. If you're unsure about how to write your gig description, rely on ChatGPT for creative inspiration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with more valuable content in the future.